Yes, you read that right. You can autofocus a manual lens using this device.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32.
What this is, it's the Photodiox Pronto adapter. It works just like any other adapter. Now this is for Leica M mounts, but it will work with other lenses if you get the proper manual mounts to connect between, and boom. The Pronto works off of phase detection on cameras, so any other focus type will be less than ideal. An example of this would be my Sony a7S II, which works off of contrast detection. Now that said, it will only autofocus your lens. It won't change the aperture or ISO, only autofocus. And the way it works is you set your lens to infinity focus and it'll push and pull forward and backward. Now that's the first drawback of this. Because you have it on infinity focus, any closer subjects you're gonna still have to manual focus. Now another initial drawback to this is it sets right below flush from your camera, so attaching it to a tripod or maybe a battery grip, it's gonna be next to impossible. Now it's also worth noting that this device is pretty noisy, so let's take a listen. So keep that in mind if you want to try to use this for silent shooting or for video. It's also worth noting that this isn't the only device of its kind. It's actually somewhat of a rip-off of the TechArt version of it, which does the exact same thing. Might be a little better. I've seen videos of that one and it's a little bit quieter, but it's also more money. I think that one's about $387, whereas the Photodiox Pronto is about $250. Used maybe $200. So the verdict with this, yes, it does what it's supposed to do. It'll autofocus old manual lenses. However, I do think it's a little bit pricey for what it is. And I think the user might just be better off manual focusing anyways. Because when you set it to infinity focus, you're going to be missing out on some range, especially if you're using like a 50mm lens. It's not to say this isn't a neat little item. It'll snap focus as it should, do what it's supposed to do. But for $200+, I think you should use your best judgment. So yes, short video for the week. We can do some hands-on in the coming weeks using this product along with others once school wraps up and the weather warms up. If you'd like to check out any of my other fun videos, I made a new channel for that, such as skateboarding, contemporary tattoos, whatever. I'll drop a link in the description. You don't have to follow it if you don't want to, but it's there. I think you might enjoy it. So yes, that's it. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again. Let's discuss.